Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
We have a 74-degree air temperature and a dew point of 73. Slightly higher dew point means a little bit more moisture in the atmosphere today this morning, and that's kept our temperature a slight bit warmer by a degree or two. As we head through the morning into the afternoon, plenty of sunshine around. In fact, some drier air will be filtering in, and that means our rain chance will be diminishing. We'll look for about a 20% chance of showers this afternoon as opposed to the 40% that we had yesterday. We had a few scattered showers around yesterday, nothing very heavy. Total accumulations, not that great. Same sort of thing again today, only there'll be even fewer showers. As we head into 7 p.m., things wind down pretty quickly and we're left with pretty tranquil conditions. Right now it's quiet. Our morning forecast doesn't call for any rainfall along our coastline. There's our drier air. That is a slug of drier air at mid and upper levels of the atmosphere that'll lead to a lot of sunshine over the course of today and the weekend. It looks like little rain chance for tomorrow at all. The amount of moisture available to produce rainfall in the atmosphere is on the way down. Yesterday we had this little slug of humid air kind of sitting right over us. Well, today we got rid of that and we're drawing in this drier air, indicated here by these bluer colors. That drier air will limit the number of storms that we get today to half of what we had yesterday. And tomorrow, I don't even have rain in the forecast. That's how dry I think the air will be. As we head into the weekend, later half of the weekend, Sunday, and particularly into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week, that changes, though, as we shift our winds just a little bit. Here's what's going to happen by the time we get to, certainly by Tuesday of next week or so. High pressure will move into the Atlantic, and as that happens, we'll start to see our winds start to shift in a more southerly direction. That is going to tap into moisture that is down to our south, and that will help bring us a little bit better rain chance. Mostly sunny, warm and dry today, shifting winds by next week, and then right straight through the weekend, I want you to watch the tropics. I want you to keep advised of the forecasts over the weekend because things could change. We have an area of disturbed weather right down to our south, and this area of disturbed weather is now given about a 60% chance by the Hurricane Center of development with time. Now, I don't think we're looking at any kind of a major hurricane here with this system. And in fact, we might not even be looking at a tropical storm. Although some computer models are suggesting that there may be, actually, as it lifts into the Gulf waters and conditions become a little bit more conducive for development, that we might develop, actually, a little tropical storm. I don't think that this is going to be a big wind producer for anyone particularly, but it could be a very wet storm producing lots of rainfall. So that's why we're going to have to watch it. In particular, storms that form in the Caribbean can have a very short time span between when they form and when they make landfall. So instead of watching a hurricane approach the United States for 3, 4, 5, 6 days, you may have only 24 hours or so before it makes landfall. So that's why I want you to watch it over the course of the weekend. Satellite view right now shows the cluster of clouds down to the south still being sheared apart, no real good organization. The forecast, though, by most all computer models does show this massive moisture and rain showers down to the south in the Caribbean, kind of lifting a little bit further to the north. So we will watch for that. Forecast calls for an east wind coming in at about 10, shifting to 15. And the forecast for the week ahead, 20% chance of showers today, less rain chance on Saturday, and then increasing rain chance as we head into next week as we keep a careful eye on the tropics.